I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming software and state. Update your Apple Watch and paired iPhone to the latest version because fixes often resolve leaks. Once updated, restart both devices to clear hung processes that quietly drain power. Next, open the watch's battery screen to inspect which apps or system features are using most juice. This tells you where to focus. Make sure to note spikes over 24 hours so you can target the highest consumers in the next steps. Once done with the basics, dive into power optimizations. Turn off always on display and lower brightness because the screen is a major consumer. Reduce wake duration and remove excessive watch face complications so fewer processes update constantly. Then limit background app refresh for third-party apps and curb location access. Both can request frequent updates. Make sure to prune notifications. Silence or disable non-essential alerts and lower haptic intensity. This reduces CPU wake-ups, and that is why your battery life improves noticeably. To finish, try a structural reset. Unpair and repair your watch because that rebuilds the sync database and removes lingering faults. It often fixes mysterious drains. Check battery health to see maximum capacity. If it's significantly degraded, plan for battery service. If problems persist, perform a factory reset and reinstall only essential apps. Troubleshooting tip. If battery still drains after these steps, run Apple Diagnostics or contact support. Persistent high drain usually indicates a hardware fault needing service.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.